Today, I would like to discuss the immense importance of daily self-discipline. I firmly believe that discipline is the cornerstone of success, serving as the driving force behind every great achievement. It is the key that unlocks the door to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Without discipline, our dreams remain elusive fantasies, and our potential lies dormant, waiting to be unleashed. Daily self-discipline is not a one-time event or sporadic burst of motivation, rather, it is a way of life, a commitment to consistently making the right choices, even when they are difficult or uncomfortable. It is about embracing delayed gratification and trading short-term indulgence for long-term satisfaction. When we examine the lives of those who have achieved extraordinary success, we find a common thread: discipline. These individuals understand that success is not an overnight phenomenon but the result of small, consistent actions taken day in and day out. They have mastered the art of self-discipline and utilize it as a vehicle to progress steadily towards their goals. In today's world, it is easy to get caught up in the allure of instant gratification. We are constantly bombarded with shortcuts and quick fixes that promise immediate results. However, true success is not found in these shortcuts, it is found in the discipline to do the necessary work, to go the extra mile, and to persist in the face of challenges. Daily self-discipline is about creating positive habits that serve as the foundation for success. It involves taking control of our thoughts because our thoughts shape our actions, and our actions shape our destiny. It is about setting clear, compelling goals and then developing the discipline to pursue them relentlessly. I often say that we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. Therefore, it is crucial to surround ourselves with individuals who uplift and inspire us, who share our commitment to growth and discipline. The right associations can fuel our motivation and provide the support and accountability we need to stay on track. It is important to note that discipline is not about depriving ourselves or becoming rigid and joyless. Instead, it is about making choices that align with our long-term vision and values. It is about finding a balance between short-term pleasures and long-term rewards. Discipline allows us to experience true freedom, the freedom to live life on our terms, to pursue our passions, and to make a positive impact on the world. So, how do we cultivate daily self-discipline? It starts with a decision to take responsibility for our lives and to commit to personal growth. It requires us to identify our weaknesses and areas where we need to improve, and then develop strategies and systems to overcome them. It demands consistency, resilience, and a willingness to learn from our failures. I want to leave you with a powerful quote: "We must all suffer one of two things, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret and disappointment." The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts a lifetime. Choose discipline, embrace it as a guiding principle in your life, and remember that it is the daily acts of self-discipline that will lead you to the extraordinary life you desire and deserve. Many people yearn for instant transformation, a miraculous change that will revolutionize their lives overnight. However, lasting change rarely happens that way. It is the result of consistent, deliberate action taken day after day, week after week, and year after year. Imagine a sculptor who carves a masterpiece out of a block of stone. Each strike of the chisel may seem insignificant on its own, but it is through the accumulation of these small, repetitive actions that a magnificent sculpture is born. Similarly, it is the accumulation of our daily actions that shapes our lives. The power of small and repetitive actions lies in their ability to compound over time, certainly. Let's delve deeper into the concept of small, repetitive actions and their power to compound over time. When we talk about small, repetitive actions, we are referring to consistent habits and behaviors that we engage in on a daily basis. These actions may seem insignificant in the moment, but when performed consistently over an extended period, they have a compounding effect on our lives. To understand the compounding effect, let's consider the analogy of saving money. When you start saving a small amount of money regularly, the impact may not be immediately noticeable. However, as you continue to save consistently, The amount grows over time due to compound interest. The interest earned on your savings becomes reinvested, leading to exponential growth. In the same way, small actions performed consistently can accumulate and produce significant results in various areas of our lives. For example, let's say you have a goal of becoming physically fit. Instead of trying to achieve an overnight transformation, you focus on engaging in regular exercise and maintaining a balanced diet. Each individual workout or healthy meal may not dramatically change your fitness level, but the cumulative effect of these small actions over weeks, months, and years will lead to noticeable improvements in your overall health and fitness. The power of small, repetitive actions lies in their ability to create positive habits. Habits are automatic behaviors that require less conscious effort and willpower over time. When you consistently perform a particular action, it becomes ingrained in your daily routine and becomes a natural part of who you are. Moreover, small actions performed consistently help to build momentum. By taking consistent steps forward, you develop a sense of progress and achievement. This momentum can fuel your motivation and inspire you to continue making positive choices and taking productive actions. Additionally, small actions provide a sense of control and empowerment. When faced with daunting goals or complex tasks, breaking them down into smaller, manageable actions makes them less overwhelming. By focusing on taking one small step at a time, you gain a sense of control over your progress and are more likely to stay committed to the process. The compounding effect of small, repetitive actions is not limited to personal goals. It can also be applied to various areas of life, such as learning, career development, relationships, and personal growth. Consistently dedicating time to learning and acquiring new skills. Nurturing relationships through regular communication and acts of kindness, and investing in personal growth through reading or reflection can all lead to significant advancements over time. It's important to note that the compounding effect works both ways. Negative habits and actions, when performed consistently, can also have a detrimental impact on our lives. This is why cultivating positive habits and consistently making choices that align with our goals and values is crucial for long-term success and fulfillment. In conclusion, the power of small, repetitive actions lies in their ability to compound over time. By consistently engaging in positive habits and actions, we can make remarkable progress and achieve our goals. Remember, it's the daily actions, no matter how small, that have the potential to transform our lives and lead us to a path of growth, success, and fulfillment. Certainly. Here are the key words that summarize the concept of small, repetitive actions and their compounding effect. 1. Small actions. 2. Repetitive actions. 3. Consistency. 4. Compound over time. 5. Habits. 6. Momentum. 7. Progress. 8. Control. 9. Empowerment. 10. Positive choices. 11. Personal goals. 12. Learning. 13. Career development. 14. Relationships. In conclusion, daily self-discipline is a fundamental attribute for anyone seeking success in any area of life. Whether you aspire to excel in your career, pursue personal goals, or improve your overall well-being, practicing daily self-discipline is key. Here is a summary of daily self-discipline for anyone who wants to succeed. It is essential to establish clear goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Set specific and measurable targets that align with your aspirations, and break them down into actionable steps. Embrace self-discipline by consistently taking small, focused actions toward your goals every day. Creating a structured routine is crucial for daily self-discipline. Plan your days, allocate time for important tasks, and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Avoid distractions and prioritize activities that contribute directly to your goals. Remember, success is the accumulation of consistent effort over time. Practicing time management is another vital aspect of daily self-discipline. Recognize the value of your time and allocate it wisely. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency, and avoid procrastination. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to make progress steadily. Cultivate a growth mindset and embrace continuous learning. Seek opportunities to acquire new knowledge, skills, and perspectives. Invest time in personal development. Whether through reading, taking courses, or seeking mentorship. Commit to regular self-reflection and adapt your strategies as needed. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification buttons for more videos like this.